Hi kids, how are you? In this lesson we're going to review the alphabet and the letters and sounds which we've learned about.
First, let's practice saying the alphabet. See if you can say it along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Well done! Now let's review the vowels. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. Can you remember which sounds the vowels make?
A makes an A sound, like in apple, hat, bag. E makes an E sound, like in egg, tent, pen. I makes an I sound, like in igloo, fish, lip. O makes an O sound, like in orange, sock, box. U makes an sound, like in under, bus, cup. We also learnt about the letters J, Y and H. Can you jump, yell, hop?
Well done! Now you can do the other exercises by yourself to practice this. Goodbye.